Abusheni sanibonani Melang Vedoramina Kipusizi, and I'm back again with another episode. And namuhla nireka ngwena, he who has ears, let them hear. Onendlebe makezwe. Yazi ukuthi isiZulu ngisithanda kabi simnandi kabi ngoba sikhuluma ngqo, siqonde, asijikile, you know. So he who has ears, let them hear. You know, kuyenzeka sometimes singabantu sizithole sizikhuza ey'ntweni or ukhuzwa. Or kube khona nje imizwa ekutshelayo ukuthi lokhu akungilungele kodwa I just keep on going back to it and expect the results to improve from what it was before. You know, uyakwazi ukuthi uyitshele ukuthi ukhohlisa omunye umuntu noma uyazikhohlisa wena on your own, and yet you just keep digging and digging and digging for yourself. So onendlebe makezwe, nawe awukuzimamele, you know. Our intuitions, they always speak to us. Silungu, yes. Kukhona okunokukhuluma ngaphakathi kuthina, and most of the times we ignore that voice, or most of the times we ignore the person that's actually trying to show us direction because we think we know better, or we think, you know what, just because this doesn't work for this person, it doesn't mean or it's not going to work for me. This person uyangimonela, you know. Kanti kwesinye isikhathi the universe iyakuyekela, you know, uyenze into ngobuhlakaniphi bakho, uyenze and you go deep into it and uyibone ukuthi yeah, you know, I told you I can do this, mina. Never mind what that person was saying because it's obvious, unomona, you know. Kanti you don't know where it's taking you. It's just digging and digging and digging further and further and further for yourself to a point where you just don't know, to a point of no return. So khuzeka kwezinye izinto, khuzeka ukwazi ukuthi uzwe omunye umuntu, i-opinion yomunye umuntu ekwakhayo. Kukhona izinto engamelanga siyimamele because no matter what advice they give us, it's just not growing us or changing. But there are things or there are times where we just need to listen.